Let's create AI Salon app using Python. We import OS for directory operations, Pandas for organizing training data, Flask components for the web interface, and Random Forest Classifier as our ML model to predict appointment no-shows. This initializes the Flask application so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define synthetic training data with 4 features. Service type: 1 is equal to haircut, 2 is equal to coloring, 3 is equal to styling, hour of day, day of week, 1 is equal to more to 7 is equal to sun, and past no-show count with a target of 1 for showed up and 0 for no-show. We convert the training dictionary into a Pandas data frame for easy column-based feature and label separation. We split the data frame into input features, X, and the target label, Y, that the model will learn to predict whether a client will show up or not. We initialize a random forest classifier with 50 trees and train it on our dataset, so it can predict the likelihood of a client attending their appointment. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where staff can enter booking details to check no-show risk. This route handles post requests from the front end, receiving booking details and returning an AI-predicted no-show probability and risk level. We wrap the logic in a try block for error safety and parse the incoming JSO request body to access the submitted booking data. We extract the 4 booking features from the JSO body: service type, appointment hour, day of week, and past no-show history, converting each to an integer with a safe default value. We package the inputs into a named Pandas data frame matching the exact column structure the model was trained on, ensuring correct feature alignment. We use predict_proba instead of predict to get the probability of the client showing up, class 1, giving us a confidence score rather than just a binary outcome. We classify the predicted probability into 3 risk tiers: low, medium, or high, each with a corresponding color code for the front end to display a clear visual indicator. We return a JSO response with the show-up probability as a percentage, the risk level label, and the color code so the front end can render a complete risk assessment. If any error occurs during processing, we catch it and return a 400 bad request JSO error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. Before starting the server, we ensure the templates directory exists so Flask can find the HTML files. We then launch the development server on port 5000 in debug mode. Now here is our index.html where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.